Hey everyone, got a little update on the clutch install from the last video. I, if you recalled me saying that the clutch pedal was soft, I had emailed Exedy, the brand of the clutch that I got, and they told me it's supposed to be slightly firmer than stock. So I bought a vacuum pump and gonna try vacuuming out the air bubbles that's in the line to get that pedal firmed up. Ah, shit. Yeah, there's bubbles. You're supposed to have it about 20 on the vacuum gauge and wait about a minute or so. And I'm gonna need to get a towel to wipe that brake fluid off. Ooh, there's a bubble coming. Okay. Don't see any air, so I'm gonna release. Oh, there's another one coming. There's some bubbles right in there that's trying to work up. Okay, let's pump the clutch. Okay. You can... Oh, let me get up light here. It had went down. I'm gonna have to take it out and drive it some to see how the clutch pedal feels, but it feels like it's getting back to where it should be. And the vacuum pump bought from Harbor Freight around $24 and went to Lowe's and got a drain stopper and drilled a hole to put one of the bibs in to connect it to seal the master cylinder up, and pumped it up like what I've seen people do on other YouTube videos and on the internet. But it's getting used to the way that clutch feels. Like it's night and day difference from before the clutch and this one. And the guy told me the old clutch was a little worn, but not bad, but he said the throwout bearing was rattling when it was spinning. So it was probably on the verge of going out. So I'm gonna, in the little update video for now, and if you like today's video, hit the like button, share, subscribe if you haven't, share the videos with your friends and that, get the bell on, and we'll see you on the flip side later.